Hey, this is Rhonda Perales with eXp Realty, and I'm here at 107 Cobblestone Court in Magnolia. It's a new listing I've got coming up really soon, and I just want to give y'all a quick walkthrough. We still got yard work to do, and I've been here like pulling weeds and getting the garage cleaned out, but I wanted you to kind of see it because it's going to be on the market this weekend. So it's got it's only a 4-year-old house. It's got a really nice front porch here. And this is in a cul-de-sac, and it's very quiet, so you could really sit out here and enjoy your morning coffee. Beautiful tile, brand new carpet and paint on the inside. That's the garage right there. Huge living and dining area. Got a study right here off to the left with double French doors. Good size study. Like I said, new carpet. Here's the kitchen. We're getting the house cleaned this weekend. Look at that pantry. This is a huge pantry. It's like pantry heaven right there. You got 2 bedrooms right here. Guest bathroom. Really nice. Got a bedroom over here. The carpet is not pink. It's brown. It looks like it sometimes in the videos, but it's brown. Here's another bedroom. And we'll go back over here through the kitchen to the master. It's a great split plan for a family with a couple of kiddos or 1 kiddo. Laundry room's right here. This is the master. Nice 3 windows. New carpet. Master bath. Separate shower, double sinks, you can see right there. And again, same tile. There's a potty. Good size closet. Goes this way. And wait till I show you this backyard. Okay, I'm going out there now. You could put a park in it. I'm not kidding. Got a nice size covered back patio with a fan. And wow, here's your backyard. Like I said, it's a true cul-de-sac. It's a huge yard. I don't remember the square footage, but it's quite big. And you can hear how quiet it is. I just hear crickets. So that's it. I'll have a better video later. Just wanted to give you a quick tour to get some activity on the house before we put it on the market. So if you're interested, give me a call, 713-294-3808. Rhonda Perales with eXp Realty. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.